Hi there! If you find yourself facing a frustrating yellow tint or color cast on your iPhone screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 4 advanced processes to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check True Tone settings. Swipe down the control center, tap and hold the brightness slider, turn off the True Tone. Solution 2. Turn off the color filter. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size, scroll down, tap Color Filters and toggle it off to see if the screen color changes. Come back here, turn off Reduce White Point, also turn off Classic Invert. Solution 3. Adjust or turn off night shift settings. To turn off the night shift settings, then go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, scroll down, turn off the night shift. Solution 4. Reset all setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset all setting. Do it again. After doing these processes, your problem should be fixed. If not, it may be a hardware issue and you may need to take your iPhone to an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance. Thanks for watching.